Hey everybody, Rob Robillard from Concord Carpenter. I'm here at the JLC Trade Show in Providence, Rhode Island with my buddy Sedge. How are you?
Woo, brother!
Sedge, my maniac friend
yeah,
from Maine.
baby.
So, Sedge, what do we have that's new, that's kind of fun from Festool coming out? We got some
Okay.
stuff, right?
This is our new air cleaner, okay? It's pretty simple. Air goes in and air comes out, okay?
So it's an air scrubber.
It's an air scrubber, but what's really important about this is this demonstration, I'm gonna pollute this cabinet right here, okay? You're gonna see we got great air quality inside the tank.
Okay.
All right.
So this is good and then this is bad.
Yeah, and that's polluted.
That is
good.
dead.
And on a job site, right? You got all that dust floating around that we can't capture with our Festool dust
extractors.
We get at least 90% over the whole line of tools. We are known for it, and we want to capture that other 10%. So what I'm going to do is let's pollute the cabinet.
Let's do
I got it on here.
What are we going to put in here?
It's just a fine dust. I believe it's almost drywall. I think he has drywall, quick mud. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off, and you're going to see that's what you're breathing.
You went to 0, I see. Yep.
Okay, and now what I'm going to do is just come over here, and I'm going to start the scrubber, and you'll see it's on. I hope. Garrett.
There
it is.
Just went on now.
Okay, you see it? Okay,
yeah,
it just went
see
on.
the green light on
we'll
the
get
side
We'll
here.
get a cleaner view over here in a minute, but it takes a couple seconds. You'll see the amount of particulate that's in there. So this is cleaning.
Surprise.
It is.
What size room can this clean? Can it clean like a 10 by 10 by 7, 8 foot?
Okay, that's a great question.
CFMs?
10 to 12 times an hour on that one you just said.
So
that size
10
room.
cycles on
10
a 10
cycles,
by 10, 100 square foot.
And we have one where you can hang it.
Really?
Okay, and look, we're already there just chatting.
So that was pretty fast. It's a small
Yep.
area, but so now that's cleaned the air to 98% or whatever.
Yep.
So bring me over to this machine.
Okay.
Let's break this
There's
thing
two
down.
versions. One's a HEPA.
Yep.
That's the one everybody will want. And then we have another one which has more flow through it. You can't swap the filters, okay, between the two different ones because the electronics control the CFM coming through. So, look how difficult this is, everybody.
On, off.
On and off.
What's this?
Okay.
Low and high?
Yeah.
Low and high. All
Okay,
right.
low and high.
I can feel that.
Okay, and you can feel it, right? Okay, you can plug in something extra. It's not power actuated like our backs.
What could you run through this? Could you run a
Everything.
vacuum? Could
Yes.
you run a miter saw?
Absolutely, everything. Okay, it's great because we can stack it out, roll it around, in with the rest of your Systainers.
Yep, I
Okay,
see that. Yep.
So what's important about this, I'm going to put it on high, okay? And everybody wants to know what this is, red, and green. Okay, this is a quick demonstration. I'll pull out open in a second, but I'm just going to block the filtration.
Goes to red.
It turned red.
So
when your pre-filter gets clogged, what you do, I'm going to turn it off, and let's look inside here. There's two filters.
Oh, look at that. Super easy.
It's really easy. And then you see these tabs here,
Yeah.
I don't have it,
Yep.
but we can put a hose, so you could put this outside and bring it right to your work, in your tent,
Create
whatever.
Negative pressure or something, or run it out a window. Oh, wow. Okay.
That's your pre-filter.
Yep.
Okay. You replace it.
Washable or no?
No.
Replaceable. Okay.
Replaceable, okay? Goes in here like this, because you don't want to change. You don't want to have to buy one of these that often.
No.
Okay, this is a hand-glued system.
In theory, probably 3 or 4 of these before this gets replaced?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, you're good at this.
Well, I've had I got a Hilti HEPA filter.
Oh, no
I've had the
kidding.
Build Clean when the Build Clean was out.
Yep.
And then when I
Was that the red one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a good one when it was out, but now they don't make it anymore. So.
Oh, you kidding me? I didn't even know
No,
that.
so we're stuck with them.
So look at the surface area of this.
Looks like a little angled.
It is.
Yeah.
And it is all hand glued. I keep saying that, but that's why we wanted to make sure it was right. This is 0.3 micron of HEPA. Okay, when you put it back in, okay, you tilt it in and you have to snap it in.
So,
and it's that easy.
Cost for the pre-filter versus the
Okay, I think
Free.
you get 5 of these for about, I think, $100,
$100 maybe?
80.
All right.
Okay, I'm not
And
good
then
on pricing.
This is probably double or triple that.
Oh, yeah. That's why you always want to have the pre-filter in there.
Right.
Okay. I mean, we wanted to make it as easy as possible. Air goes in, air comes out.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Candle.
and boy, you could see with the demonstration that it just cleans it.
What's this? This looks like it
That's
lifts
just that's part of the hinge right there.
Okay.
Okay, for the Systainer.
For the cord and stuff?
And the cord stores right here.
Nice. Okay.
A little notch here. And that's as easy as it gets.
Right through here.
And oh, look, I don't have it, but you can see that's the little hood that snaps on, and you can bring that right
you'll
into a
sell
tent.
that as an accessory?
Yep, that's
you
an
know how much
accessory.
for the accessory?
I have no clue.
All right.
Hang on, he just gave me this. Oh, look.
So how much for the filter?
Okay, let's look filter here. $199.
$200 for that, and $100 for a pack of 5 pre-filter?
$279 for the HEPA.
Okay.
Okay, and look, air supply hose, $219.
Yeah.
And a Systainer.
I like that though, because you can put this in the room. You can run your exhaust out of the room, out a window.
No,
wherever.
the intake.
Oh, it's for the intake, so you can put the intake.
You could put it right down by your grinder,
or through a zip wall,
Yes.
dust containment barrier,
Yes.
something like that. Yep, that's awesome. How much? The whole unit?
$799 HEPA.
HEPA.
Yeah,
And then
HEPA, and then the. Oh no, I'm sorry, I mixed it up.
$7.99 non-HEPA.
$7.99 non-HEPA, $8.99 for the HEPA.
And when's this out? Now?
Today.
No way.
Yep.
I know we've got one coming to our shop for a review, so we're going to be doing a deep dive review. Mike Hopper's actually going to be running a review for us. Wicked awesome, right?
Wicked cool.
Pisser.
Wicked
All right,
pisser.
man. Hey, it's great to see you.
Good seeing you, brother.
You take care of yourself.
You betcha.
Bye, everybody.
Later.